In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add emotes to your VRChat avatar. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. By using Unity and a specific tool, you will be able to load any emotes that you have downloaded onto your VRChat avatar. So this tool is called VRC Emote Manager, so VRChat Emote Manager. You can find it on booth.pm, and it will allow you to load emotes with ease once you have them downloaded. So make sure that you acquire the VRC Emote Manager for Unity. And then once you have acquired VRC Emote Manager, what you can do now is load your emote. So you have plenty of options to acquire them. You can download them online, you can purchase them, and usually they will include a lot of animation files. Load these animation assets into Unity. And once you have all of them loaded, good to go like this, they are going to appear under your assets. They will usually have this icon with a triangle and some lines at the back. Now you can do the exact same thing with VRC Emote Manager. So import it as a Unity package, and once you have Emote Manager ready, right-click your avatar. So find your avatar, right-click it, and then create empty. So choose the option to create your avatar anew. Once you create empty, the next thing to do on the right side of the screen is to add a component. So add the VRC Emote Manager as a component on this new empty avatar that you've made. And now with VRC Emote Manager, you can click on the plus sign to add a new emote. Once you have this empty file here, you will be able to choose a specific emote from your assets and load it in, so you can drag and drop it. You can load as many emotes as you want, and all of them will be associated with your character because you chose the option to create empty here under your avatar. Now you will see all of them loaded like this, and you are ready to try them out. So you can open the radial menu, go over to emotes, and you can try them out here. You will see a preview on your character and you are good to go. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, it would help us tremendously. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.